Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is the revision of the birds, insects, reptiles, and aquatic animals. We have already discussed these topics. We have done these in our previous classes. So, today we will do the revision. Okay, and it is on your page number 72. So, what you have to do, you have to write B for bird, I for insect, R for reptile and A for aquatic animal. Okay, so you have to first identify this animal and then accordingly you have to write correct alphabet. So before we will begin, I will first tell you what are birds, insects, reptiles and aquatic animals. We will do the revision quickly. So what are birds? You know that bird, they have feathers and no other animal has feathers. Okay, so birds like to eat insects, seeds, plants and birds can fly. Now, what are insects? Okay, so what are insects? Insects, they are the small animals. Insects are the small animals that has 6 legs and most of the insects will also have wings. Now reptiles. Do you know that reptiles can crawl? So reptiles can crawl. Now aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? So aquatic animals are the animals that lives in river and sea. So aquatic animals are the animals that lives in water, that lives in rivers, oceans. So these are aquatic animals. So we will revise bird, insect, reptiles and aquatic animals. Now this is butterfly and butterfly is an insect. So we will write here I. Now this is jellyfish and jellyfish is an aquatic animal. So write here A. You have to write the correct alphabet. Okay, so you have to write it accordingly. Now, next is seahorse. Seahorse is again an aquatic animal. This is sparrow. It looks like a sparrow and sparrow is a bird. So, write B here. Move on to next. What is this? This is a crocodile and crocodile can crawl. So, it is a reptile. Dolphin. Dolphin lives in water. So, it is an aquatic animal. This is dragonfly. So, dragonfly is an insect. So, write down here I. Move on to next. What is this? This is a bug, which is again an insect. So, write here I. Now move on to next. What is this? This is ladybird and ladybird is again an insect. So write down here I. Oh, this is an octopus and octopus is an aquatic animal. So write down here A. Move on to next. This is a bird. This is parrot and parrot is a bird. Parrot can fly. This is peacock. Peacock is again a bird. So write down here B. So move on to next. This is a lizard and lizard is a reptile. So write down here R. This is snake. Snake is again a reptile. Again write down here R. Move on to next. What is this? What is this? This is a tortoise. Tortoise is again a reptile. This is an animal that crawl. So write down here R. So this is the way which you have to do, kids. So you have to write down the correct alphabet. Okay, so you have to write B for bird, I for insect, R for reptile and A for aquatic animal. So you have to first identify, you have to first recognize all these, and then you have to write the correct alphabet. Insect, aquatic animal, bird, or a reptile. So accordingly you have to write down here. Okay. Now after this, so this is the revision on page number 72. Then you have to do one new topic which is on page number 71. So put the date on the top. So today is 20th October. Which month is going on? October. So put down 2010 2020. So here we will discuss that what we get from animals. See the heading, what we get from animals. Okay. So number one is honey bee. So what do we get from honey bee? Do you know? We get honey from honey bee. So when somebody asks you that what do we get from honey bee? So your answer is we get honey from honey bee. Now move on to next. These are the farm animals. Hen, goat, cock. So what do we get from these? We get food from these. We get food from farm animals. So what do we get from farm animals? We get food from farm animals. Now move on to next. This is sheep. What do we get from sheep? Do you know? We get wool from sheep. So now winters are coming, so the sweaters that we wear, sweaters, they are made up of wool, they made from wool, and that wool we get from sheep. So from where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Now next is milk. You know, milk is very important for our health. Okay, so it is very important to drink milk daily, twice a day. So we get milk from cow and goat. Do you know that we get milk from cow, goat? So let's revise one more time. We get honey from honey bee. We get food from farm animals. We get wool from sheep. And we get milk from cow and goat. Now we will do one very simple exercise. Tick the things that we get from animals. So here you have to tick the things that we get from animals. Pizza we get from animals? No. Bread. This is bread. Bread. Do we get bread from animals? No. Honey. As we have just studied, we get honey from honey bee. So tick here. Milk, M-I-L-K, milk. From where do we get milk? We get milk from cow, goat. So yes, we get milk from animals. E-G-G is what? Egg. From where do we get egg? We get egg from farm animals. See, the picture of egg is here. So yes, we get egg from animals. Idlis. Do we get idlis from animals? No. Do we get vegetables, fruits from animals? No. We get vegetables and fruits from plants. We get vegetables and fruits from plants. So again, no. Wool. As we have just studied, we get wool from sheep, and sheep is an animal. So tick here. We get wool from sheep. C-A-K-E, cake. Do we get cake from animals? No. So here you have to tick the things that we get from animals. So we have studied the things that we get from animals. Accordingly, you have to tick here the things that we get from animals. So kids, you have to do these two pages. This is page number 71, which you have to do what we get from animals, and page number 71 and page number 72, which is a revision of bird, insect, reptiles and aquatic animals that we did in detail in our previous classes. So today you have to write down the correct alphabet according to the animal, and you have to tick here the things that we get from animals. Okay kids, so do these two pages, page number 71 and page number 72, and share the work with me. Okay kids, take care, bye bye, have a very nice day all of you. Bye, take care.